Veronica, you smoke? Young lady, what is going on here?
Well, I actually brought you here so you can see the kind of reckless life your wife lives with her papa.
Really? Who is this man? I don't know him.
What?
Can someone tell me what is going on here right now?
Veronica, you don't know me, your husband.
Your husband?
Are you drunk? No, are you high? Oh, Natasha. Is this the best you can do? You're so cheap. Mr. Man, I don't know you. I don't know what you're doing here. Look at you. You don't know your level. Do I look like someone you can wife? Babes, you now know me too well now. I know they like slim guys. I know Kukuma they like fair guys. Yeah. What is he talking about? I don't know him. Natasha obviously paid him to do this to me.
Of course.
To embarrass me. But babe, I win, okay? Nothing they happen, I win. I don't know this cheap man right here.
I'm just trying to understand what this drama is all about.
This your school mother here is denying her husband though. This is your husband now. You're fine, Bobo.
Can't shut up there.
Why did you deny your husband? Because of the asharamu to walk where they do. Because they do a shower walk. I make you deny your husband. You're fine, Bobo. So you're not even proud of him. Listen, girls. We don't have time to waste with all these cheap girls.
Not at all.
These non-entities. So I suggest we move.
No.
We move.
No, Mama.
I hope she paid you well. I hope she paid you well.
Your plans are failed.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.